We are pleased to show you the 2025 Honda HR-V. The HR-V has a good-looking exterior with a clean design. It comes with a well-tuned suspension and a handsome and flexible interior with tons of options to choose from. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, leather-wrapped steering wheel, compass, low tire pressure warning. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.